Why do some people snore so loudly while they sleep? Most people think snoring only happens because of a bad sleeping position, but that's not totally true. You see, when you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat naturally loosen. The airway becomes narrower, and the air moving through starts to shake the soft tissue like wind rattling a curtain. So what's actually causing that sound? But if you've ever heard someone snore, hit like, subscribe, and share this fast. Snoring is simply vibration caused by relaxed throat muscles and moving air your body resting so deeply that breathing turns into sound.